Ik ben nu een beetje depressief omdat we een scheur in de mast hebben gevonden. Ik.
Pronoun meaning I. Pronounced.
Ik.
Similar to the English, ik, but shorter. It's the first person singular pronoun. Used as the subject of the sentence.
Ben.
First person singular present tense form of the verb.
Zijn.
To be. Pronounced.
Ben.
Similar to ben in English. It indicates the present state of being.
Nu.
Adverb meaning now or currently. Pronounced.
Nu.
Similar to the English new, but shorter. It specifies the time frame of the statement.
Een.
Indefinite article meaning a or an. Pronounced.
UHN.
Like a soft un. It indicates an unspecified instance of something.
Beetje.
Noun meaning little bit or a little. Pronounced.
Beetje.
Like bite-yeh, it modifies the adjective depressief.
Depressief.
Adjective meaning depressed. Pronounced.
Depressief.
With a soft
S.
sound. It describes the speaker's emotional state.
Omdat.
Subordinating conjunction meaning because. Pronounced.
Omdat.
Signifying cause and effect. It introduces the reason for the speaker's depression.
We.
Pronoun meaning we. Pronounced.
V.
It's the first person plural pronoun.
Een.
Indefinite article meaning a. Pronounced.
UHN.
As previously explained.
Scheur.
Noun meaning crack or tear. Pronounced.
Scare.
Similar to scheur. With a short u sound. It refers to the damage found.
In.
Preposition meaning in. Pronounced.
In.
Similar to the English in. It indicates the location of the crack.
De.
Definite article meaning there. Pronounced.
DUH.
Similar to the in English but softer. It refers to a specific mast.
Mast.
Noun meaning mast of a ship or boat. Pronounced.
Mast.
Similar to the English mast. It's the object where the crack was found.
Hebben.
First person plural present tense form of the verb.
Hebben.
To have. Pronounced.
Heb ben.
With a short
E.
sound. It indicates possession or existence of something, in this case the found crack.
Gevonden.
Past participle of the verb.
Vinden.
To find. Pronounced.
Gevonden.
Indicating a completed action. It describes the action of discovering the crack. Putting it together.
Ik ben nu een beetje depressief omdat we een scheur in de mast hebben gevonden.
Means, I am now a little bit depressed because we found a crack in the mast. It expresses the speaker's sadness due to the damage discovered on their boat.